Best Academic Paper Writing Books. How to Write a Great Research Paper, a step-by-step handbook paperback written by Leland Graham and Isabel McCoy, revised edition. College Paper Buddy, the quick, friendly guide to writing quality research papers, written by Anna Kendall. How to Write a Scientific Paper, an academic self-help guide for PhD students, written by Yari Saramaki. Manual for Writers of Research Papers, Theses, and Dissertations, Chicago Style for Students and Researchers, written by Kate L. Turabian. The only academic phrasebook you'll ever need, 600 examples of academic language, written by Luis Otavio Barros. A Manual for Writers of Research Papers, Theses, and Dissertations, 8th edition, Chicago Style for Students and Researchers, written by Kate L. Turabian, Wayne C. Booth, Gregory G. Colom, and Joseph M. Williams. Longman Academic Writing Series 5. Essays to Research Papers, written by Alan Myers. Writing Academic Papers in English Graduate and Postgraduate Level, written by Kenneth Eckert. Academic Writing in APA Style, Writing Academic Papers and Theses in APA Style, 7th edition, written by Bernd Heessen. A Guide to the Scientific Career Virtues, Communication, Research, and Academic Writing, written by Muhammadali M. Shoja, Anastasia Arinkina, Marios Lucas, and Anthony V. D'Antoni. Writing Academic Papers, a simple and easy-to-follow guide for international students, written by E. F. Henry. Academic Writing with Microsoft Word 2016, Effective Writing Using the Template Thesis 2016th edition, written by Bernd Heessen. APA Style Basics, Writing Student Papers in Psychology and the Social Sciences, written by Mark Hatala, 6th edition. English for Writing Research Papers, written by Adrian Wallwork. Phrasebook for Writing Papers and Research in English, written by Stephen Howe, Christina Henriksen. 100 Tips to Avoid Mistakes in Academic Writing and Presenting, written by Adrian Wallwork and Anna Southern. Academic Legal Writing Law Review Articles, Student Notes, Seminar Papers, and Getting on Law Review, written by Eugene Volek. Writing Academic Papers, a Resource Manual for Beginners in Higher Learning Institutions and Colleges, written by Alia Shabani Maligo and Trygve Willer. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.